Sometimes we need in template to show or hide some element conditionally. That means that we will check some condition and based on result we will decide whether it will be displayed or not. In Angular there are control flow blocks which we will use for this. In our example here we have input element and it is bind to this number property. To show how control flow blocks works, we will check does this number is positive value, negative value or 0. And based on that, we will display message about number. First, we will use if block and inside parentheses we will have condition number is greater than 0 and then we will have curly brackets for block and inside block we will display paragraph with message number is positive. Okay, we have some error here, object is possibly undefined, and that is because our number can be undefined and we needed to set this question mark here. And to fix this error here we will check does our number is not equal to undefined and number is greater than 0, and now it's fine. And once again we have if keyword here which starts with this at sign, and then we have condition, and if the condition is met we will display this paragraph, and that's it. And let's test this in browser. We will run application ngserve, open browser, and we can see here we have number input element. There is no paragraph with message initially, but if we enter some positive value, this message will appear, and that means our code in template works. If we delete, it will disappear. And let's back again in template. Here. Now we want to display also message if number is negative, so we will use else if block here, else if, and condition, we will copy this and only we will change this to less than, and then we will have these brackets, and inside we will write paragraph number is negative, and that's it. Let's see results in browser. If we enter negative value, our message number is negative will be displayed, and also if we enter positive number, this message will be displayed. And at the end we need to write also message for situation when number is 0 to cover all cases. Let's go in template. In template we can also write else, and here we can display number is 0. Okay, let's see now in browser. Now we can see that even if number is undefined, our message will be displayed, number is 0, and that's not what we want. We want to handle this case with undefined separately, and let's go in template. And to do that we can check first here does number is undefined, and in that case we will print enter some number, and that's it. And only now we need to change here if to else if, because we don't want to go further with checking if this condition is met. And this checking we don't need anymore because we know that is not undefined. Okay, save, and that's it. Check now in browser. We have initially entered some number. If we write 0, our message number is 0 will be displayed. If we write 1, it is positive, and if we write -1, it will be negative. And everything works fine. That's it for this video. I hope you learned something new. Subscribe, like, and see you in the next video.